Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. So what we have here on the bench is an old Whitco Deadlatch, and I'm going to take you through and show you one of the common problems with this type of lock where it actually fails. So if you ever have your deadlock on the door and you say, oh, all of a sudden it's not springing no more, what will kind of be happening is when you turn the bolt, this part here won't be popping back out. So it'll be kind of stuck in there, and you might have to use the key to get it to move, or the handle, but eventually you might be able to get it out and get the door locked, but it won't actually be locked. What that is that's the return spring, and the return spring looks like this one here. We sell them on our lock shop, and to install this return spring you simply have to get it with the straight leg, put it on the post, and then just come around and bend it into position, as you can see there. So the side that has the bump on it goes in between that groove there. The straight side goes along the actual latch part, and if you lift it up you might even see a little bit of an indentation there where the spring actually sits. Now when you use your lock, it'll have that spring pressure back again. Very common for this spring to actually fail. We did say on our website that we got some second-hand ones. These are actually brand new springs, so link is down in the bottom description. Then you simply put the lock back on the door. When you put it back on the door, you align this little lunk and this cutout, you put it on that little bit of an angle, and then you bring it back through and you put your screw in from this side, and you should be working again. At the moment it's not moving because this lock has been turned off, but from the other side you'll have that spring pressure and it'll be locking again. That's how you repair and replace a Whitco return spring for an old Whitco Deadlatch. Thanks for watching. Link in the description if you want to buy the spring. Thanks for watching.